If you really think about it, the term Muslim does not refer to someone who is born into it, like inheriting it from their mother's womb. Being Muslim is not solely based on being the child or grandchild of Muslims. A Muslim does not become one simply because they were born into a Muslim community. Just as a Brahmin's child becomes a Brahmin, a Rajput's son becomes a Rajput, an English person is English due to their birth, and a Jat is Jat because of their heritage. Rather, a person becomes a Muslim by embracing Islam, and if they abandon Islam, they are no longer considered Muslim. Whether someone is a Brahmin, Rajput, English, Jat, Punjabi, or Ethiopian, once they accept Islam, they become part of the Muslim community. On the other hand, someone born into a Muslim household who abandons the practice of Islam will be excluded from the Muslim community, regardless of whether they are a Sayyid or a Pathan. So, dear sir, the answer to my questions will be as follows. Being a Muslim is not an inheritance, but a blessing from God that automatically comes to you through your parents and remains with you throughout your life, whether you cherish it or not. It's a blessing that you can obtain through your own efforts. If you strive to attain it, you can, but if you neglect it, it can slip away from you. May God forbid.